beautiful people. Today I'm going to be doing a hair review from a hair company called DYhair777. There are 3 7s. I'll put everything in the information bar below. I bought the hair on Saturday and I got it yesterday afternoon, like, so that's like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 4 days from China. That's pretty decent for me, and I was happy. It came in a DHL bag like that, and when you open the DHL bag, it comes in this really cute, well, it's not cute, but it's a nice packaging for companies, like, because I know, like, I buy hair from, like, when I bought my hair from AliExpress at that time, it came in a DHL bag, but it just came in like a plastic bag or something. But this is kind of cute, so you can definitely store like your hair product in here, anything that you want to, pretty much. So when I opened the thing, excuse me, it comes in this sealable like Ziploc bag, and then it says here 100% human hair. It says their logo is like an afro hair saying DYhair777 royal grade hair. I bought 24 inches. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you guys that it comes with eyelashes and also a care. Oops. Okay, so it comes with eyelashes, and I don't know if I'll be wearing those, but actually I've been wanting to try lashes like this that are like very full, which is like, I don't know, I'll try it and tell you guys how I feel about it or whatever. And it comes with a hair care, and then contact us, their office address, and their coupon code. So they have like $5 coupon code and $10 coupon codes. I'll put like a code below. And I know if you search on YouTube, you'll find numerous people who reviewed their hair. I bought this hair with my own money, so it was not like sent to me or anything. So when you get the hair, it comes in another bag like that, and then it has this stuff that like keeps the hair in place, I guess. And then it has like a little tag, like, you know how you buy clothes. So I'm just going to cut this off because I don't need that. Okay, so it's a lace front and it's 24 inches, and it was $148. 140. I'll put but it was below 150, and I got like $10 off of it again, and I think shipping was like free. So when I take it off, this is what the hair looks like. Very stringy and stringy. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far. And then obviously comes with lace front right here. It has 1, 2, 3 combs, 4 combs actually, 3 in front, like here, 1 at the back right here, and then it has adjustable straps. I really like these adjustable straps because like the comb is right in the middle. I really like that. So yeah, I like the construction of the wig. So let me just try this on. Bruh, you definitely want to go like this, but it has baby hairs. Wow, I've never had hair with it. I've never had a weave of baby hairs before. It smells like manufactured hair, like just, I don't know, it smells weird to me, Sha. I don't know, it smells like new products, so I'm definitely going to wash this because anybody gonna like this. But this is what it looks like. So if you like this look, this is the end. You can quit this video and be out. You can have like, actually look cute. No, don't do it. So this is the way like the lace looks, like that. I'm definitely not going to be wearing any of these baby hairs because my baby hair is not like this, so I can't do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace, and then I'm definitely going to like comb this out. But I am going to wash. I don't know if I should wash it before I comb it out, but I'm going to wash it, and then I'll come back and show you guys when it's like wet. I'm gonna just cut off the lace. I mean, you guys know, like, just cut off the lace and the front part, not like the whole head, but like just the lace here. And then yeah, I'm gonna do that and then wash it and then come back and show you guys what it looks like when it's No, actually I'll comb it off before I wash it so you guys see how it looks like, and then when it's wet I'll show you guys what it looks like, and then when it's dry I'll show you guys what it looks like. Off the lace, this is the lace that I've cut out. Like if you buy like hair like that has lace front and you cut some hairs out sorry, and you cut some hairs out, don't be too frantic about it. It doesn't matter, just make sure you try not to like cut the too much of hair out. So I'm going to just use this comb to comb it out, and I'm just going to use this to flatten out the edges. And sorry if I'm looking down, I'm just looking down at my mirror just for my part. This is what I have received. That is quite a lot, but honestly, curly hair, shedding doesn't bother me as long as it's not like dropping on the floor as I'm walking. Okay, so this is what it looks like without me taking off the baby hairs and whatnot. I haven't made it fit my own head as far as like parting goes, so I'm going to go and do that and then come back to you guys. But I'm loving it so far, and when it's combed out, it's still actually here, so that's really nice. I've never had like curly hair that's 24 inches before, but like bro guys, the curls are still popping. Now I'm going to go and wash it and let's see what it looks like when it's kind of wet. Washed my hair, conditioned it, deep conditioned it, and oiled the hair. Let me tell you guys, this hair is still looking curly as shit, so definitely this is it. And the conditioner, the shampoo that I use is the Moroccan, nope, I lied, so what this is, repairing our pony thing. Then my conditioner that I use is this cherry blossom conditioner. Then holy grail for every hair that I have, I always deep condition my hair. The only time I shampoo my hair is my wigs or weaves or anything is the first time I get to. That's the only time I shampoo. I don't shampoo it continuously. I condition and deep condition. Guys, if you don't know about this, get to it quickly. Okay, whatever, but it's alright, you better focus. Okay, it's the Mystic Divine Luminous Shine Smoothing Mask. It hydrates the hair, smooths frizz, and also superior shine. Funny things, I've actually never used it on my hair, but it's because I just recently started using it. I went to Sally's Beauty Supply store and I got, anyway, cut long story short, this thing right here is holy grail. Like I used it on my Wild African wig, shit like revived it like a beast. And then I just recently got their argan oil from the same company called Mystic Divine. The thing about it is that, okay, when I washed the hair, yes, I got shedding. It shedded like, well, not like a bitch, but it did shed. When I wash it, I don't comb and wash. I just detangle with my fingers, so I just run my hands through it. It brought out some black dye, so I'm guessing that they happened to dye the hair, and obviously, yeah, and I removed all that. And then when I dip condition, I put it on and then I put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Don't do more than 2 minutes if you don't want your hair to start dropping off. only 2 minutes, and then I take it out and rinse it out. After I rinse it, that's all. I let it dry. This time around I tried to like towel dry it, but I usually don't do that. I would just wash it overnight, leave it on my wig head, and let it dry in the morning. See your hair looking beautiful. You just run your hands through it and have like a nice big curls, yeah, you know. But yeah, oh sorry. So I'm going to wait for it to dry, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when, you know, it's dry. So wait for it. I'm not going to blow dry it because I just don't want to blow dry it. I just want to show you guys in natural state, it drying natural state, it drying in everything state. So just wait for that, and I'll be right back. Bye guys. I'll be right back. It's like semi-dry. It's not like completely dry, but I like it still, so I just left it like this. So I went ahead to get my part done. The reason why you guys see that line first is because of my wig cap, and this eye I'm going to shift back so you guys don't see that wig line. I mean that color. So I went ahead and I put elastic around the perimeter so that it will hold it properly, and yeah, I really like it. So I'm just going to put my edges down. I'm using the, I don't even know the name, but this is like the best control I've ever had in my life. So I'm going to spray some of my marking sea salt spray. Let's give it a little bit of shine to the hair. Oh yeah, so I forgot to tell you guys that density of the hair is 130, so that's not too bad. I think 130 is pretty decent. Like this is like full for me. And like I like it because you know how you guys saw it and it was like huge before, and now it's like still tamed down a little. So like if I still wanted to fluff it up more to be like hella big, I could still do that. Or if I wanted to actually just pack it and just look like this, I could definitely do that too. That's why I really love this. Like